Come on, we got this, hun. Okay, they're just up ahead. And guys, I think we can get these mule deer. So, hi everybody. Oh, we're exhausted. Hi everybody, and welcome. Yes, go. And welcome back to Wolf Quest 3, where we're here with Mars. And I haven't actually visited with Mars in quite a while, just due to the fact that my external hard drive broke, and then I ran out of storage space, stuff like that. So now we're trying to cross the river right here. And basically get to this den down here because that is Sequoia's life quest. What do you see? I don't know what she sees. Are you full? Sequoia, eat. Is she stuck? No. Okay, good. Sequoia. That's actually very, very strange. Yeah, because she is actually very, very hungry. Huh. Yeah, we're just gonna wait here for her. And fill up because, yeah, our pups are right here, stationed in some tall grass. Yeah. And I'm thinking about what to do because the river is right here, and this looks like it would be the best spot to cross, but we can't seem to find a time when it's shallow, so I'm hoping maybe when we come back. Okay, are you full, Sequoia? Okay, Sequoia's full. I'm gonna turn territories back on, and let's go back to the pups because I'm worried about leaving them for too long. We're not even gonna take a chunk. We're just gonna head back to the pups. Wait, is that territory back here marked thoroughly? Yes, okay. And yeah, we're just gonna head back to the pups. Because they can cross little streams like this. I'm not worried about that. I'm worried about, well, is this what I should be worried about? Because, no. See, that's not the big river. See, like, stuff like this we can easily cross. And I'm not, oh, okay, there are pups' names. And that's not the stuff I'm worried about. I'm worried about this. Whoa, okay. Those trees were being weird. Okay, so we have a slight problem. And that's there's no grass here. So if I tell them to go in, where will they go in? Okay, so that patch of grass disappeared. In. Robin! In, Robin. Ooh. Robin. We cannot let Robin get taken. That would ruin Mars' life quest. Oh my gosh, that scared me so bad. That's the first attack we've had with no den. Where is it? I knew it was a good idea to get them in a safe patch of grass. I'm so glad that we did. Whew. I can't even see where this eagle is. Okay. We need the pups to stay there. And yeah, see, this water is just so deep. Can we? No, see? It gets so deep so quickly. Okay, the pups are all hidden. Because this should be shallow normally, but it just immediately gets deep. Okay, we're just gonna go back to the pups and sleep because I think we just need to do that. Maybe the water won't be as flooded when we wake up. That's my hope. And how hungry are the pups? Okay, they're pretty hungry. There. Come get food. Everyone else, Robin would come out too. I like actually that bear's practically in the grass. Makes me less nervous. The thing that I'm worried about here in the open is coyotes. That's the thing that I'm most worried about here. I don't think other wolves will come to just seek us out. Alright, everyone in. You guys are full enough. Okay. Yep, we have where they are marked. Good, good, good. Alright, and we're gonna go to sleep. I know it's super risky. I'm hoping maybe the river. Well, that won't help with making the river shallower. Okay. How's our territory? Okay. And what do we smell? Okay, stay there, pups. Stay there, pups! Gosh! Bear, 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 bear. My gosh! Where are they coming from? I think Sequoia is going to them. We are here to make sure that none of the pups come out. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh! Get away! Get away! Oh, that's a bunny. I heard the coyotes. My gosh. Okay. We can't stay like this for long. Let's go check if there's any shallow points, but no way. Yeah, no. Okay, pups are hidden. And actually, Robin's so big. Same with Wood. Bear's 12 pounds. Nope. It just gets deep immediately. Yeah, no. There's a moose? If this moose is standing there... Yeah, but see, it's when we have to swim. We need to find a point where... What, are you hidden? Everyone's hidden. Okay. And yes, guys, I know I'm probably being just paranoid, but I'm really nervous. If we can't find a crossing point by when we wake up next time... Oh, what are you doing? You're not coming back. What the heck? Coyote! Oh, that's a bunny. I'm sorry, bunny. I just tormented you, probably. Gets deep. Yep. Oh? Nope. Our Sequoia is it gets... We need it to be shallower. And this river... Oh. You're the ones who just tried to kill our pups. fools. Nope, we can't cross here. We're only gonna go a little bit further, and then we'll go back to our pups. Because where's the closest end here is up here? I think we've already been to that den though. There's an island there. No, but Sequoia's head is under. Okay, maybe over here? It looks like it gets shallower this way. Do you even want to hunt mule deer? I don't think Mars cares right now. Oh, there's a beaver. I think Mars would actually be mad at the beavers because this is the beaver's fault that they can't cross the river. Okay, yeah. Let's head back to the pups. There has to be a crossing point, right? This river continues for the whole map. Maybe if we try going the other way of the pups. Yeah, because this whole area is flooded. Once we get across the river, I think it'll be fine. But right now, we just can't because this whole area is just completely flooded. I don't feel like it's like this for Umbra. It's strange. There's a bunch of beavers. I think Mars would growl at them. You're just kind of being mad. Yeah, and see Sequoia's like, kind of. I think Sequoia would be not as mad. Oh, these rocks submerged might be promising. Nope, it just means that they're actually submerged. Let's see. Nope, we have to swim. See, everything looks promising and then it's not. And I don't want the pups to drown. Having them grow up is more important, like actually live, is more important to, I think, both Mars and Sequoia. Even if we can't complete Sequoia's life quest. Who's howling? Okay. There's grizzly bears? Grizzly cub. Okay. Our pups are still hidden. Yeah, maybe if we go south we'll be able to. Here's this big area where the moose is just chilling. I feel like we always find what we need with the wrong wolves. Umbra would need that moose, but we're not Umbra. And there's the beaver dam that's been causing all of this. Just even worse over here, isn't it? Is this bunny? Let's see. Oh? Oh. Do we find? No! We needed that to continue a little longer. Because that would have been perfect. Dang it. Yeah, it gets too deep. Ah! Maybe here? Let's see. Here? No. Sorry about the lag, guys. I don't know What's causing it? Ah, come on. Oh. Okay. Maybe? Again, it's really deep here. Can we maybe jump across? No. Alright, let's head back to the pups because affinity is actually getting extremely low. But I am worried about, oh geez. I'm worried about those grizzly bears. So let's continue this way. And we're just gonna sleep. If we can't find a crossing point that's safe, then fine. Okay, good. Bear and wood. Okay, so everyone's awake. Maybe we can get affinity up? Possibly. They're all watching, but there we go. I think we had them stuck. Okay, there we go. I think Mars, he's kind of angry, but at the same time, he'd kind of want to savor these moments with his pups. Okay, good. Affinity just went up like a lot. Okay, that's actually really cute. Alright, we'll feed you guys with the food that we have left. But if I say so, you guys have to get in the den immediately. I like how wooden bear just staring at it like it's like a sacred food source or something. Bear, 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 come get some food. Bear, are you okay? Okay. That grizzly bear makes me nervous. Okay, everyone in. Bear, I know you didn't fill up completely, but Robin, come on. There's other wolves howling, which also makes me nervous. It's possibly to the south, because, I don't know. We're just going to go to bed. Sequoia's coming. Oh no, we're dreaming. I would like to observe everything, but ooh, those beavers, he would definitely dream. Maybe that means the river is changing, because they obviously might not want us to see the river changing. He's dreaming about fire. Oh my gosh! The river! Yes! Yes, 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 yes! Okay, so elk, mule deer, and moose have given birth to this year's calves and fawns. Elk and mule deer mothers hide their babies in stands. I think that's supposed to say strands? I don't know. Of tall grass while they graze some distance away. If you find one before the mother notices you, you'll have a nice meal to eat or carry back to your pups, who can now eat small carcasses in chunks. Baby moose stay with their mothers, but look at the river! The river! It's dried up! Okay, everyone in, stay in. Coyotes, we do not need you. That's a bunny. Where are they? Oh, yes, Sequoia! Oh, yeah. How dare you? I bet it's the same. Oh, it's the same pair. Oh, yes, we got him. And guys, this is, well, okay. We're still locked on, that's why. This is where the rivals will come in with our next generation that I was talking about. So, also, there's a mama here. We can just, oh, never mind, that's not a mom. And there's also a beaver. Okay, that's actually really good that Bear was able to grow that big. And look, Robin's 15 pounds. Okay, so we'll have to hurry up. Let's just scout really quick. Can we cross here? No. Okay, I thought it was completely dried up. It's not. And yeah, so we can't make it across there. Okay, we might be able to make it across there, although it's really risky. Same with there, it's also risky. Okay, also everyone's hidden. Bear! Bear, 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 bear! Bear! Oh my gosh! Bear! See guys, this is why we check. Bear! What on earth are you doing? Oh gosh, bear, 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 bear. Bear! Bear. No! Okay, everyone's out. Okay, not good, not good. Pups. Oh, they're trying to travel with us. In. We're trying to find a way so that you guys can find a den. Okay. This is good though. Let's try this point over here. See if. Okay, this actually looks shallow. I think I can see the bottom. No. Wait, are we walking? Our head goes under. Yeah, okay, no, we have to swim. Over here? No, we have to swim this last bit. Okay, over, okay. Also, okay, now everyone's hidden. It looks like we're... We can walk! We can walk! Okay. Okay, okay. This is not a drill. We're traveling to the safe crossing point, and we're just gonna go. Because, yep, then we can go to this den and then make our way down there. And I'm hoping we can do that quickly. So we're gonna do it this time. Come on, pups. Come on. Okay. Come on. Hurry. Don't you guys want to get somewhere? Because if you do, you gotta go. This is so exciting, guys. Wood, wood, wood. Come on. Wood. Okay. Okay, this is so exciting. Okay, Robin, Bear. Wood always seems slow. Okay, so then we'll put them in a patch of grass and bring them slowly across. Because I don't know if they'll be able to walk across, and I do not want to test it. Also, just while we're here, let's test Bear. Can we jump? Okay, yes, okay, that's actually really good. We can jump with a wolf pup in our mouth. Come on, Wood. Okay, it's right here. Also, do we smell anything dangerous? Okay. Pups, in. That's actually perfect. There's a patch of grass right here. Also, there's a beaver. Okay, and then we'll just take them. Bear. Bear. Okay, so we'll take Bear. Okay, you guys. Here goes. We're hoping. Praying. Bear. It's still in our mouth. Okay. Where's the closest patch of grass? All the way up here? Okay, then we'll slowly take them across. And you go, Bear. Okay, so we're going to mark this as the new pups. And yes, guys, I know we have a lot of markers. We actually just used up all of our markers. Okay, you guys, I'm so excited. We can finally get them across the big river. Okay. Okay, come on out. Oh, shoot. I didn't think about this. It calls bear out too. Okay. We're going to have to be very quick then. Yeah, oh gosh, because bear's out now. I don't want to regurgitate. Come on. Pick him up. Okay. Oh boy, bear. Okay. Oh, okay, we have to swim there. Here we should be good. Yes, okay. Bear, come on. Okay, I think he's just gonna try and come to us. No, he is not. Okay, bear. Bear, bear! Bear, for goodness sake. Bear, you are the most troublesome wolf pup ever. Okay. Then we'll have to do this part quickly. Good job, Sequoia. Also. Okay. We can still walk here? Yes? Okay. Now we're going to have to do this quickly because... Come on. Oh, I wasn't calling them out. Robin? Come on now. Robin! Hello? Robin? Robin. Uh-oh. Is she stuck? Robin? Robin? Hello? That's not good. Robin is stuck. Huh. That's not great. Robin? Robin? Robin. Okay. I just called them in. Out. Robin? Okay guys, I'm going to save, reload, and see if it works. But I'm not going to end this episode because we just need to get them across. I can't, because I cycle through the episodes, so I can't have this. So I'll be right back. Okay you guys, I'm back. Robin? 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 Hello? Okay guys, this is an issue. Maybe if we try sleeping. I'm gonna risk it. Sequoia's over there with the two pups. Okay. It's very risky. And I'm just gonna get up now. Okay, Robin, will you come out now? Okay, that's not good. That's not good at all. Robin, become unhidden, please. Also, is this still a safe crossing point? Yes. Okay. Oh, okay. Wood came out, bear came out, but not Robin. Unless now of course Robin's out the second we leave. Of course that's how it is. Okay. Whoa, didn't mean to do that. The pups are like very hungry. I actually like Sequoia howling, because it's basically like keeping all the predators away, I'm hoping. And there we go, guys. Robin, in. Okay, so I'm so happy. Bear is getting pretty big. We still have 2 pounds before he's too big for a den. So next time we're going to go here, just temporarily get some food, have a break, and then we are going to make a beeline for here. So we can take this one off, right? Or is that the wrong one? No, okay. We can take these 2 safe crossings off. Oh, we needed that one. Or did we? Nope, because we're at the safe crossing point. Yee! I'm so excited, guys. Alright, so please like and subscribe if you can, and join us as we continue with Mars. We were finally able to get the pups across the river because Bear was finally big enough. Also, good, everyone's in the den. And yeah, oh, Sequoia's resting by them. Nature wolf, ow.